This was how you went ahead and started claiming that Ijo man is from Bini. And Ijo people warned you. Now you started the same thing again. To come and now claim Ikwerre that is far away. Do you know what the miles we are talking about? That we are now from Bini. How are we supposed to be from Bini? Do we look like Bini people? Do we sound like Bini people? Do Ikwerre people sound like
Hello, my people. How on a day? We never end that matter concerning whether Anioma be Bini or Igbo. Una need to hear waiting. Ikwerre man tell that lady. You know that lady where we've been discuss for this channel. We no go tire. Them too, they no one tire. The matter na concerning the real identity of Anioma people. You know, now the thing we just full social media now, but we no go tire like I tell you now. Ikwerre they speak Igbo. All Anioma they speak Igbo. But these people say Anioma come from Bini. Why? Bini just dey one place. They claim father of, I don't know whether to call them Methuselah. Father of this, father of this. And this Bini where they tell you Edo State. Now different language, they know they speak one language. How come you they claim? Maybe na DNA go settle this in. But before then, una need to hear what in the tell that lady. Ikwerre man don't provoke. Una need to hear what in happen. Ngwana, make we go there. Okay.
Honor your brothers like your God. Does it sound like the way you call God? I want to correct some narratives going online. I really want to correct this narrative because they say if for some reasons when many persons carry out informations that are not true, and this information sinks into people's head with nobody coming to refute those information, at the long run, information may be adopted. That information may be adopted as truth. And this is why I need to correct it. I have seen online some set of persons coming from the Bini side making some fallacious statements about Ikwerre people, how Ikwerre people came from Bini and all that. My question for such kind of persons, there is a lady in particular, I can't even remember her name. My question is, we and the Bini people, we the Ikwerreans and the Bini people, who is more populated? Or you're not aware that the Ikwerre man is more populated both in land mass and in population? So between you and us, who is supposed to come from Ikwerre or from Bini? You are the one that is supposed to be coming from Ikwerre. I will say that Bini man came out from Ikwerre. It is not an Ikwerre man coming out from Bini. Do you know what you are saying? Be mindful of your statements. Some of these your statements will cause a lot of problem in this country. And I call on the security, police, or wherever that lady is, or whoever that is parading it that Ikwerre man came out from Bini. They should get her arrested. Get her arrested. We are not from Bini, mind you. I am going to say it repeatedly. We are not from Bini. If even our close neighbors, yeah, if some persons will come up and say we are not Igbo, then Bini man will come. Now Bini will come from. Are you okay with your head? Are you okay that you will now come up make that kind of fallacious statement online because you've gathered the followers through Peter Obi's this thing? Now you've now come up with the real agenda while you open the page because you've gathered followers. And you now come up and start making this kind of ugly narrative that we, Ikwerre people. Do you know how large Ikwerre man is? How large Ikwerre population and the landmass? You want to compare Ikwerre and the Edo man? Edo that I know very well, Edo is a tribe inside Bini. Edo is a tribe. And the Edo tribe can never be, it's not as big as Ikwerre. So who is coming from each other? Who is coming from where? You want to now say a Bini man that we came from Bini. because some persons are giving you people false narratives or false information. Or you don't know where you come from, or you don't know your brothers. This was how you went ahead and started claiming that Igbo man is from Bini. And Igbo people warned you. Now you started the same thing again. To come and now claim Ikwerre that is far away. Do you know what the might we are talking about? That we are now from Bini. How are we supposed to be from Bini? Do we look like Bini people? Do we sound like Bini people? Do Ikwerre people sound like even the name you call your God? Our God is Chiokike, Chineke. These are the two things we call God. Does it sound like your God? Does it sound like the way you call God? Chiokike, Chineke. These are the two names you call our God. Does it sound like yours? And you come online to make fallacious statements, and some people are clapping for you. Those who don't even know where they come from, we clap for you. And I'm seeing some different movement popping out. I don't know who is sponsoring it. I'm calling on you people, don't near Port Harcourt with your narrative. So you come to this state and with all those your narrative, we will get you apprehended. River State, Ikwerre man is not a Bini man. Ikwerre man is not a Bini man. We have no resemblance. We have no relationship whatsoever. Market days and all that. My name is Chime. Chime Noma Amadi. Does that sound like your name? Does that sound like Edo's name? Or Ganeruv or whatever you people call your names? Does it sound like that? Stop it. I'm calling on the security and all that. They should stop these persons. Don't come and be making ugly narratives in Ikwerre land. We know where we come from. If you say where we come from, we know where we come from. Based on my name and all that, you should know where I come from. Ikwerre man came from, we are Igbos. We are Igbos. You cannot just come and be claiming what you don't know. Eliwaraha, men no kasuna no ka right now. Ele no plan no vai, ele ivo, chidna yoka. Amen behe. Time rule ka aso beginning so mele ele wadu he. Ve no why like ele mako. Ya ke ve no why. Ve china yoka aguzo, china yoka no work aguzo. Mama ko ha no me. Ya can also live our life. That is how we continue to live our life. This person will come and tell us this one. They will say we are from here. This person will come and tell us, I don't understand what we are doing in this state. Because of political reasons, we are lying here. We are lying here. Tomorrow we'll come again and say we are from this side. Is that what we are supposed to be doing in this state? We know where we are from. You know where you are from. Within me, from childhood, as I have never lived in Igbo land before. Mind you, I have not lived in Igbo land. But anything Igbo speak, anything an Igbo man speak, I hear it completely from beginning to the end. I lived, in fact, I was born in Igbo land. I was born in Igbo land. Ikwerre to be precise in Bayelsa State. So in Mename, it's so fear that cow me. So I was born there. I know what I'm saying. Some persons have not even traveled. And those who have not traveled, parading themselves here and there, calling Ikwerre people this, Ikwerre people this, stop that nonsense. It is now we apprehend some persons. The fact that Ikwerre man has been silent all this while does not mean we are foolish. We know where we come from. I repeat, we know where we come from. And though if you don't want to have problem with Ikwerre man's disease from these things you people are doing, if not, time is coming, we are going to start chasing some people out of this state. I don't know if they are doing that in this state or they are staying there because internet is a global something. So you can stay anywhere and parade your falsehood and propagate different information to lie to people. This was how you lied at Ijoma until they warned you. Stop it. Ikwerre man is not from Edo. We know where we come from. From my name, you should know where I come from. Stop parading this nonsense. Don't know your brothers. This was how you went ahead and started claiming.
Una don't see him, una don't hear him from Ikwerre man. They say even the name they call their God, Chiokuke, Chineke, and probably they will also be saying Chuku. They should tell you where they come from. They are Igbos. And he clearly said it. Ikwerre is Igbo. Ikwerre is Igbo. Like he said, Aruba for Ulomenana. That is what these people are. By keep saying it, Ikwerre is from Bini, Ikwerre will become Bini. Mbano. You can't just steal people's identity. You have heard from the horse's mouth. Ikwerre is Igbo. It don't tell you. Bini claim Ikwerre come from Bini. The Bini know they grow. The Bini just do one place, domicile. Every time. Tomorrow, Bini born Fulani people. Bini born Hausa. Bini born Igbo. Bini born this. Bini just the born. The Bini know they expand in population. Then just do one small place, Bini. And by the way, Bini are just one tribe inside the door. Here and Tokam. Bini are just one tribe inside the door. You get Awushi, then they speak different language. If you go to Obiaja, different part of that state, different language. Then Bini just they claim, okay, the other day, then show one video say, Iseluku they pay homage to Bini. Maybe because in the olden times, Bini was the strongest there. So it's a kind of, it could be respect. That doesn't mean they are from there. You are paying homage to a superior authority. That doesn't mean you are from there. So Ikwerre people, they don't provoke. Seriously. They say they no be Bini. In fact, to this Ikwerre guy, they're like irrational thinking. And I don't advise my sister. Omoruyi, patience EV. Yes. You campaign for P2B and Edo people vote P2B well. Edo is one of the states that voted P2B more. But then, make you not just the parade anything. Yes, you parade P2B, you talk about P2B. A lot of us hail you. We like what you do. And this video where would they do not be say we won't begin the quarrel with Edo people. No. We don't go quarrel with Edo. I don't know whether Igbo people don't quarrel with Edo before. I don't know. But we know what. But let's state things clear. You know, we just, yes, you sell P2B to us. We accepted P2B because it's a good product. Well, you can't be selling any other narratives to us for us to accept. And I hear say Edo people, they claim a job before. A job give them serious warning. They enter Ikwerre. Tomorrow, then go into Urobo. They don't drag with Yoruba. Yoruba tell them, say, even the whoever, whether they call him, will be father of Yoruba, whether no, they say he even meets some people for the Yoruba land, a lot of people. So that is not the origin of Yoruba. So Edo people make una know na limit. Oh, this man say he go begin the arrest. That one sound funny, but it only shows the kind of seriousness they are taking this. They don't want it. You can't just assign them. Naturally, you see how they behave. Everything they do, it is swinging towards the direction of Igbo. So this man might, he say even you hear in name Amadi Chime. Go ask the meaning. Igbo man no go look around before he tell you. For Igbo man to listen, understand Ikwerre, now just switch. The same thing. Igbo's got what we call variations in language. Igbo get what they call say tribe get a language will get variations. If you move from here to here, you go see changes. If you move from here to here, even inside that Igbo of Southeast way, one they call many Igbo, where we know that all Igbos are equal. Igbo is Igbo. There's no many Igbo. But if those Igbos of Southeast, if you move from Sokoto, even still in that Enugu, when I go see say language they change. So he say Ikwerre na Igbo. Ikwerre man no need to go to Igbo land or the place where I call Igbo land to learn Igbo. Ikwerre man they speak Igbo. And Igbo man no pass Ikwerre man become Igbo. Ikwerre man no pass Igbo man. We are all Igbo. And our language varies as we move. It is the same. Anambra Igbo no be exactly the same with Imo. Variations, but all of them are Igbo language. So now go begin to try to tell Ikwerre who them be. Make Ikwerre talk who them be. And like I say for beginning, be like saying that DNA go settle all these things. Because the way this thing take the rage for social media, it be like say everybody go begin do DNA. Massive number of DNA tests. Because this, we have to settle this in once and for all. Abi, what do you think? I'm gonna share this video for me. We're gonna circulate and widely. If you never subscribe to this channel, make it subscribe. Follow us for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Wanna bye-bye for now. Let me share go.